Okay, good day, guys. Welcome to BBFS Academy, day 2 of our class for beginners class. And today I'm here to talk about the trend. First of all, you ask yourself what is a trend, and also how to identify a trend in the forex industry. First of all, you need to understand we have two types of trend, which is the uptrend and the downtrend. So here's the topic, the trend, and also I talked about the trend last yesterday, which I dropped the first class, the first video. I talk about the trend, and today I'm here to talk about the trend. And last class I talked about what's forex and how to trade in the forex industry. We have seasoning. I talk about the season like the New York, the Tokyo, the Asian, and the London section. So today I'm here to talk about the trend and how to place your trend in the forex industry. Okay, the trend is very important in the forex industry and also play a big role in the industry in the forex market. Okay, the trend also helps you to know the overall movement of the market. That's the use of the trend. It helps you to know the overall movement in the market, which is to know if we are going bullish or bearish, which I said earlier that bullish means to buy and bearish means to sell. The bullish is the green candlestick while the bearish is the red candlestick. And today I'm using derived trading view because forex trading view, the forex market is on break, okay, because of the festive period. The Christmas is here, so they are on break. And today I'm using derived trading view. Derive works 24/7 every day from Monday to Sunday. Derive market is always open, and now I'm trading volatility 25. So I'm using this to explain more about the forex industry. All are the same, they are all candlestick. As you can see, we have the red and green, no different candlestick in their chart. Okay, so talking about the trend, you need to understand what's the trend and how to trade according to the trend. The trend is very important. So we said the trend help us to identify the overall movement of the market. Sorry, my screen is small, so I need to minimize this for you guys. To identify the overall movement of the market, which we have two type of trend. Don't forget, we have two type of trend. We have the uptrend and we have the downtrend. Don't forget, it helps us to identify the overall movement of the market. If you know how to identify your trend in the forex industry, I'm telling you this, you win a big risk to reward because you are trading according to the trend, and the trend also helps you to catch bigger peeps. Okay, so when you know how to identify your trend, you are good to go in the forex market because the trend also helps you to play a big role. So now I will show you guys my trend in this charts, which I said we have the uptrend, which we call it the bullish trend, and the bearish trend. The bullish trend is when the market is moving upward, just like this one I've drawn here. This is, let me delete this, so let me draw it again. This is a bullish trend. Let me show you guys a bullish trend. This is a bullish trend from this point to, sorry, this trend line is, let me move this to the side. I'm coming. So we have from here down here to this top is a bullish trend. We are going bullish, we are going up. So this is a bullish trend, and this trend helps us to mark and also know the overall movement of the market. This 4 hours, this 4 hours helps us to know the bigger pips, way to get into the market and how to follow the trend to take a better trade. We also have downward trend. We have the downward trend, which you'll see it going down, going bearish. We call it the bearish. So we have bullish trend and bearish trend, which we call this the bearish trend. We are going down. So we are going down. This is how to identify your trend. Place it. You place it at the tips of the candlesticks. The tips of the candlesticks, as you can see, is placed on top, and this, and we are going down. So this is how to place your trend. We also have what we call ranging market. It's like a trend but not actually a trend. That's a market structure. Okay, that's a market structure. It's a chart pattern. So I'll talk about that in our next class, but now you need to understand what's the trend. Okay, you need to identify your trend when you're trading. First thing you need to know is how to place your trend line. How to place your trend line. I'll go again. I'll go to my daily time frame so that I'll place another one for you guys to understand how to place this trend in every time frame. In every time frame. But the best place to place your trend is on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame. On the daily time frame. So drive is a very small there's a very small trend here, which there's another trend in my daily time frame. Let me draw it. As you can see, I'll place my trend line on this point, tap on my screen, then draw it to the upward side to show you that this market is going bullish. This is a bullish trend. So the bullish trend, you draw it below the candlesticks. When you want to identify your bullish trend, you need to draw it below your candlesticks. And when you want to identify your bearish trend, which is to sell, you draw it above the candlestick, just like this one. I'm coming. You draw it above the candlestick, just like this one here. This one we are going bearish. We are going bearish here. So as you can see, it's drawn above the candlestick. You pick your trend line, you mark at the last stop, tap your screen and draw it above your candlestick. So this to identify your bearish. I'm coming. This to identify your bearish. To identify your bearish trend. So we want to identify our bearish trend. Bearish trend. This is bearish trend, and also our bullish trend. I'm coming. Let me write it down for you guys to understand what I'm doing and what I'm calling the trend. Okay, sorry, call this our bullish trend. Let me write it down for you guys to see what I'm doing. Sorry, low battery. Bullish trend. Bullish trend. Okay, so this is a bearish trend going downward. This is a bullish trend going upward. And don't forget, this trend are placed at the tips of the candlesticks. Okay, and again, before I forget, there's what we call a wick. I forget to say this in my first class. There's what we call wick in the candlestick. There's what we call wicks in the candlestick. Now wicks are found at the body of the candle. They are found at the body of the candle. Let me show you guys the wick. This is what we call wick in the forex term, the candlesticks. This wick, this little line you see here, this little line, I'm drawing it out. This is the wick. You see this? You see this small tiny line? That's what we call the wick. The wick also play a very important role in the forex market. It plays a very important role in the forex market. Okay, so don't look at it as just a wick, but it has a very important rules. There are a lot of things inside those wicks that you need to understand. So when you are drawing your trend line on your daily time frame, you need to draw it on top the wicks and not the body of the candle, because in your 15-minute time frame, the wicks are like candlesticks with body. Do you understand? In your 15-minute time frame, let me show you guys 15-minute time frame, you'll see that this particular zone are candlesticks with body and not wick. Let me show you guys. So the wicks are very important. So when you are drawing your trend line in your daily time frame, you draw them above, on top the wicks. You see the the 15-minute time frame candlesticks are much. They are much. Can you see this? Can you see the candlesticks are much? So in the 15 minutes, this was on top of wick, but now in the 15 minutes, you see that they are candlesticks. So the wicks are very important, very, very important. So don't play with the wicks. That's what we call wicks. When we talk about wicks, when you hear me say wicks, place your trend line on top of your wicks, I mean those tiny lines you see at the body of the candle. The tiny lines you see at the body of the candle are your wick. This is the wick. This little line you see here, you see it at the bearish. The red candle, we call it the bearish, and the green candle, we call it the bullish. So you always see them with the wick. It also helps you to know that yes, this candle are valid trend and also are moving in the right direction. Okay, the wicks play very important roles in the forex industry. You don't need to joke with it. Okay, you don't need to joke with the wick. So that's all about the trend. We have the uptrend and we have the downtrend, which I've shown you guys the uptrend. Now in the 15-minute time frame, I can also draw an uptrend for you guys to see. You can see the overall trend, which I've drawn in my daily time frame, and in my 15-minute time frame, I can also draw another trend to show you that in every time frame there is a trend. Let me tell you something. Nobody will teach you this thing I'm telling you. Like, they will not tell you everything. The only thing you need to do is when you learn from them, you go and practice the remaining at home yourself. But right now, I'm going to break everything down for you to understand from day 1 to day 0 when I will stop this class. Okay, so in your daily time frame we have a trend, and in the 15 minutes we have a trend, in your 1 minute we have a trend. So every time frame there is a trend. But the best time frame to identify the overall movement of the market is the 4 hours time frame and also the daily time frame. This time frame shows you how to trade as intraday trader. Okay, if you are intraday trader, you trade, you identify your trend in the daily time frame and also the 4-hour time frame, but we prefer using the 4-hour time frame because it shows us the overall movement. You can see your 1 minute time frame. Now I have a trend. This 1 minute, you always see a trend in every time frame. Look at this, an uptrend. I'll draw it at the last, then take it to the top. Take it to the top. Just place it at the wick, like the tips. The tips. That's where you place it. So you see this is an uptrend going bullish. Uptrend going bullish. And let me look for a downtrend, which we have the downtrend going bearish. Downtrend going bearish. We have one here. Wow, we have this trend. This is a long trend. We have this trend from here down to this zone. This is a downtrend. I can decide to stop it here as my downtrend, or I just take it down. Okay, just take it down to this zone as my downtrend. All right, this is a downtrend. You always see a trend. The trend is very important. The market moves in a trend. So if you know how to follow trend, the way you play with the market will be in a very different dimension, because the trend is the best way to trade. If you know how to follow the trend, you are good to go. Just imagine you jump into this trade at this zone. You jump into this trade at this zone. Look, this last place I drew this trend line. Then your target is, you are targeting this particular place, this particular zone here. Brother, you pack the forex money and go back to your house. I'm telling you, pack the forex money and go back to your house. So you need to trade according to the trend. As you can see in my 4-hour time frame, I've analyzed this market. It's a swing trade. I prefer doing a swing trade these days because the swing trade helps me to win a lot in the market, to win like 1,000 pips, seeing the future, hold this trade for like 3 days, 1 week, and at the end of the day, I'll be earning a lot of money, close to $1,000. Okay, so let me go. My network is very bad. I want to show you guys this analysis I did in 4 hours, which I draw my trend to the uptrend, looking for a sell in the forex industry, looking for a sell. It's still loading. Okay, let's see it. Okay, now if you notice, I've drawn this line. I'm going bullish. The market is going bullish actually, but going bullish based on my analysis, and I'm waiting for price to come to this area, this particular zone. I'm waiting for this market to come to this particular zone. Then I will sell from here. I will sell it from this side. I will sell the market from this place. Okay, this is where I'll sell the market. I'm expecting price to reach there. Don't forget, the candlesticks are currency, they are money. Each candlesticks you see there are money. The red candlesticks are money, the green candlestick is also. So anywhere you place your direction, you are earning a lot of money. So I'm expecting price to reach this zone for me to go into this market and make some money for Christmas or for 2025, because this trade I'm going to hold it till next year. It's a swing trade. You hold it for a longer period of time and earn a lot of money from it. Okay, I'm coming. So I'm expecting price to go like this, boom, to this side, then come back to this zone. Oh, my battery is low. Come back to this zone. This is why I'm expecting price to do this for me. Expecting price to do this, come back, tap me in, and I'm in to TP. Okay, I'm expecting price to move up. Then take me in, move up to this side, take me in and straight to my TP. So this will take me like 4 days, 1 week, or 2 weeks or so, and my target is 2,879,000 when I hit my TP. Yeah, $2,879. That's a lot of money, guys. You see, the forex industry is very sweet. You make a lot of money in short time. In just short time, somebody's salary, you make it in 1 minute. Like for a year, somebody 1 year salary, you make it for 1 minute. You make it in 1 minute, guys. So the forex industry is very sweet. If you want to know or learn a lot in the forex industry, all you have to do is to click on my YouTube channel, subscribe on it, like this video, comment on what you want me to talk about, and if you want me to mentor you in private, the door is open for you to message me on my WhatsApp number, which I will be dropping it down there, or you message me on my WhatsApp group. The group will be posted there on my bio, so you just click there. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so that's all for today, talking about how to place your trend line and how to identify a trend, which we have the uptrend and the downtrend, and also I also show you guys how to identify trend in different time frame, which is the daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 1 minute. You can also find a trend in that place. Okay, so this all for today. The video is a nice one. Don't forget to subscribe and share, guys. Love you all. Take care, stay safe, and happy Christmas in areas. Stay safe and enjoy the Christmas. Thank you.